I might as well take a picture of the restored saws. I did sell a 450 and a 550 because I'm not collecting the newer saws. I still have a XL 660 to restore and a Super 2100. No, just a 2100, but it's Terry built. So I have somebody that is probably going to take the 750 if I don't keep it, but I don't know yet. I have two 500s up here and an XL automatic. One of the 500s was made in Canada. I have a VI 944, a VI 922. I have a VI 955 in the garage. It's not restored. There's an XP 1100, XP 1130, Model 2000 under there, Super 2100 with the big 7/8 inch clutch. Oh, there's the 2000. This was a XP 1020 automatic, and there's a 2000 over there. I also have a Super XP 1130 and a regular XP 1020 automatic, not restored yet. The XL 904, very hard to find saw, an XL 901, Super XL 12 automatic, Super XL AM, and then XL 13 and an XL 123. That's my collection of restored saws so far. I'll be working on some more soon.